Bharat, we have reached the month of March and we started the journey of Om Vilas in the month of November. Soft opening हम लोगों ने ज़रूर कर दी थी अक्टूबर में, पर नवंबर से हम लोग full fledged we came on the floor. And the kind of response we all are getting, that's actually very much positive and it is quite encouraging. आज हम यहाँ पर सारे इसलिए बैठे हुए हैं क्योंकि अब वो समय आ चुका है जब हमें कुछ और लोगों से अलग करना है, कुछ और बेहतर करना है, कुछ और लोगों को एक्सपीरियंसेस देना है. तो ओम विलास has decided, after the discussions with the various colleagues, we have decided to come up with a concept of Om Vilas Club. I hope you deserve a clap. Now, Om Vilas Club will be a different concept. जो अभी आप लोग बनारस में जिस तरीके से आप लोग क्लब देख रहे हैं, ये एग्जैक्टली वैसा क्लब नहीं है, उससे कहीं बेहतर क्लब है. इट इज अ प्योर फैमिली क्लब वेयर द चिल्ड्रन, वेयर द एडल्ट्स and where the very senior citizens can have a wonderful experience throughout their life. Now we have divided the club membership into three categories. It is Club Shine, Club Yellow Shine. Then the other club is Club Blue Bubble. Then the third club will be Club Green Forever. अब ये तीन क्लब्स हैं. One club will be for 5 lakhs, which is Yellow Shine. The other one will be Blue Bubble, which will be for 10 lakhs plus taxes, and Green Forever will be 20 lakhs plus taxes. Now, any one of you who may want to ask something about these things? Anyone? That why 3 kind of clubs? And why these? Yeah.
Why these 3 colors have been given? You would have given the name.
How is it related with the club?
Club membership.
Okay. It's a very valid and a very decent question. Let me answer you that. See, Om Vilas, when it was created, the major reason why people are loving it, that we are very close to the nature. Understood? Now we are talking about the nature, we are talking about the fresh environment. So now Yellow Shine, you can consider it to be yellow sunshine. So that's Suraj hai saath mein. Okay, that's one element of the nature. Now Blue Bubble. Now, Blue Bubble is basically I have thought about the swimming pool. That's water. That is also one element of the nature. And Green Forever, do I need to make you understand? Green is absolutely most important thing today in the world. So these 3, the basic and natural elements are very, very important. So that is why we have named it as Club Yellow Shine, Blue Bubble and Green Forever. Now there are 3 clubs, 3 kinds of prizes and 3 kinds of inclusions. We have created a separate team for which we'll be doing the marketing thing will be separate, the operations will be separate, and other things, finances and all, will be separate. So Om Vilas is further creating a different SBU, that is a strategic business unit. It has nothing to do with Om Vilas Benares as a hotel. Now Om Vilas Club will be having a separate entity. Although it is a part of the Om Vilas, but yet it will be having a separate entity. I hope it is very clear. The incomes, the expenditures, the values, the inclusions, they are all different in hotel and they are all different for the club members. See, club members are the ones who are going to be very regular. So they need to get the value for money. They need to get the experience which they are not getting in any other club. Now, what those experiences could be are laid out in different club, sheets that what all inclusions. And I will not tell you here that what all things are included. It has been completed and it will be on the floor by today evening. I mean, you can start sharing to your friends, to your families, to your acquaintances, to your colony people that we have come out with a club. And if they really love their families, if they really want their families to be taken care of in a very hygienic, very positive, very, very professional arena of certain club, that should be Om Vilas. So if you love the members should understand that why we are different from the other clubs. What benefits are they getting? I don't think so that any club is providing any benefit apart from the fact that they have got a limited and a cheaper and a subsidized price for food and drinks. But we are much more different. Apart from subsidized price for food and drinks, we will be having many other inclusions. That inclusions will be of the stays, that inclusions will be of the water park, that inclusions will be of many other things. I think more than 15-20 points are there which we can share it with our friends. So very shortly we are coming with these three clubs. If you have any more questions, you may ask. Anyone, please? Would you like to ask anybody?
So why Om Vilas Club is unique from other clubs in Varanasi? Why people want to join Om Vilas Club only?
Well, that's also a very valid question. Why? Because we are a hotel. Now, hotel or a resort converting into a club. The kind of facilities which we can provide, no other club can provide. The kind of hygienic environment, the kind of area, the kind of variety of activities which we can create for the entire sections of the people, maybe for the children, for adults or for senior citizens, that cannot be taken care of by other clubs. So we are different, and this is when you sit one-to-one with your client and you make them understand how you are different from the other clubs, they will definitely, if they really care for their family, if they understand the value for the money, they would definitely buy your club membership. And the best part is that apart from this club, the present club which we are having, we are coming up with something very close by, very nearby, which is approximately 200-300 meters away. We are creating a separate area. Now that separate area will also have the access by the members. They can go there. But if they are not the members, then for that club, they will be paying a separate subscription, and for this club they will be paying a separate subscription. So it's better if people who join early, they get access to both the areas, whether it is in the form of play, in the form of eating joint, in the form of drinking area, in the form of entertainment, in form of exercise, whatsoever it is. We are different. You first of all, you have to believe that you are different. So once you believe that you are different, you will definitely be able to tell your clients and make them feel that they are. And you know what? The best thing is, we are not doing anything extraordinary in terms of giving them something. We are just creating a huge and a positive environment where they can really enjoy. If they leave their families in the morning until the evening, they should be comfortable that my family is safe in Om Vilas Club. So this is the kind of the confidence one must have once they enter the club premises. Now, I have the details of Mr. Badani. These are the details which you can have a look. This is what we made, and I think everybody has got a copy of it. You may go through that, and if there is anything else which can be added or which can be deleted or which can be amended, I'll be more than happy to do that. Any more questions, please? Chef, would you like to ask something?
बेस्ट तो हम अगर क्लब मेंबर दे रहे हैं तो उसमें फूड रिलेशन से क्या क्या हम उनको प्रोवाइड करेंगे?
हमें वो प्रोवाइड करना है जो कोई और नहीं करता। जो कोई और करता है वो तो करेंगे, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमें कुछ और भी प्रोवाइड करना है। उसके लिए हमें वर्किंग करनी है। देखिए, मेहनत करनी है हमें, हमारा काम है मेहनत करना, हमारा काम है प्रयास करना। आज 1 मेंबर बने तो भी हम खुश हैं, 100 मेंबर बने तो भी हम खुश हैं। हमें भीड़ नहीं लगानी, हमें 1000 2000 मेंबर्स नहीं चाहिए, हमें वो मेंबर्स चाहिए जो एक्चुअली वैल्यू करते हैं अपने अपने परिवार में, वो एक्चुअली वैल्यू करते हैं कि एंटरटेनमेंट का मतलब क्या होता है, वो वैल्यू करते हैं कि हाइजीन का मतलब क्या होता है। अब बात समझ रहे हैं? पैसा होना ही सब कुछ नहीं है शेफ। यू नीड टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड कि हम आपसे अलग क्यों हैं। जैसे ओम विलास ने अपनी पहचान बनाई है 5 महीनों के अंदर में, वैसे ही ओम विलास क्लब को भी अपनी पहचान बनानी है। और ये हमारा और आप सबका पूरा दायित्व है कि ओम विलास क्लब को हम जल्द से जल्द बहुत ही बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाएं। Sardar, I think you are convinced?
100%.
So would you like to say something, please?
Thank you, Piyush Bhaiya. So I hope everybody has understood the concept of Om Vilas Banaras Club, and I think you are positive that we can have good members, because everybody cannot be a member of this club. I'm sure you.
Yes,
already
absolutely.
explained it.
Yes.
So are we geared up for this new venture again?
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Cheers!
Let's get on to work now.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
I have one question which I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
Like if one member, if an existing member gets another member, so he would be getting any benefit कि दूसरे member को वो लेके आए?
हाँ, definitely. There is a point system. That point system is either in the form of the revenue or in the form of some gift which can be given to the people who are referring others to become the club member. So this is what. Anyone else? Anybody else?
Free banquet offer which you are offering to the club member, is it transferable or not?
Yes, that's also a very valid question. Suppose you are a member and you have got a coupon of let's say 30 packs complimentary, banquet at Om Vilas Club. Now, you don't want to host a party, but if you want to, gift it to one of your friends, you can consult the club. You can tell the club that you are. It's not going to be like that you just give that coupon to somebody else. That will not be entertained. But then the club office needs to be informed that you are doing it for this purpose. If he or she is your friend or your relative and they are having a function. So definitely the club would agree to that. It is not going to be that we are going to hold. We will agree provided the member informs the club office that that particular coupon number wherein we are having the free banquet facility, that is transferable to somebody else. Small letters. Anything else?
So will 2 cards club together if there is any function?
Sorry?
Will 2 cards can be clubbed together for any function?
No.
So that we need to be very clear.
Yeah.
Normally this happens a lot.
One function, only one member is applicable. For one member.
So basically, sir, vouchers will be transferable, but card cannot be transferable.
Yes. Vouchers can be transferable, and in one function only one voucher will be transferable. It's not that if you are having a function of say 100 people and you've got 4 vouchers, so you get everything. That is not going to be there. We are trying to also educate the members that this facility is for you and your family. Instead of talking on phone for hours and hours, why don't you come and spend time with your family inside the club? I think we all want to spend some time with our families. And once you reach home, it's actually very few people they spend time with their families. They just have dinner, they just have meals and all, and then they go to sleep. So it's better you come from the office on time, and then you take out your family for a lovely member reunion. And every Thursday is going to be a member day, where from 4 to 5 we are offering free high tea to every member and their families. Which clubs does that? Nobody. I don't think so. So there are few things, you know, which are very important. And we just need 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 members. Not more than 100 members are required. So just let's work on that. Anything else? Anything else? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.